This is the Hyundai Sonata 7th generation PHEV, so hybrid with plug-in opportunity. And when it comes to years to avoid with these vehicles, I would certainly avoid the pre-facelift. So this is a 2016, it's a pre-facelift vehicle, and I wouldn't buy it because it had a lot of issues, a lot of recalls, and one of them was the high voltage battery recall because of the battery swelling. And if you get it now, this vehicle is no longer under warranty, and if you get this problem now, you will spend a huge amount of money to replace that swollen battery, and actually with any high voltage issue will cost you quite a lot of money. This is actually a common problem with all hybrid vehicles, old hybrid vehicles that you don't have the warranty for. But anyway, this Sonata has a lot of issues with the high voltage battery, and the construction of the high voltage battery, the engineering of that battery was changed after 2017 a little bit, and these battery packs became better. Also, these cars are older than the post facelift, of course, and you will get more potential electrical issues, potential problems with the 12-volt battery systems, and they are hard to locate and sometimes quite expensive to solve. But other than that, there are no years to avoid. These cars are quite reliable in comparison with other hybrid vehicles on the market. They are good to own, they are not so expensive to own as some other hybrid vehicles. And also what you need to pay attention to is the accident history. So buy some Carfax report or something, and if you buy a used vehicle, and look at the accident history, because the bodies are not that good, and if the car was repaired, the body panels were replaced, repainted, you'll have problems with these cars. And also the second thing is to look at the warranty repairs in the early years of the car you're going to buy. If you look and you see a lot of warranty repairs, it means that you better not buy this car, whatever model year it is. What these Hyundai cars lack, they lack consistency in the quality. So one car may be okay, and the other car of the same model year, the same trim and everything is the same, but that car may be much less reliable and have more common issues attacking you all the time. So it's not about years, but about the overall quality, condition, mileage, and also the records, accident records and repair records that you can see in different online sources.